Hi everyone, here's a quick update for Monday, April 20th. There's two things I want you to keep in mind as you're working on your final projects. Number one, don't forget about the rubric component of the final project. So, you're going to be creating a grading rubric that you want me to use, but also, as you're creating this rubric, don't just keep me in mind or this class, keep in mind the potential audience. So how would you want your potential audience to grade you along the categories that you designate? You can use some of the rubrics that I've created this semester to work from, or there's websites like Rubistar, you name it. Just do some Googling and sort of craft your own rubric based upon some of the other existing ones that are out there. Speaking of things that are already out there, one thing I mentioned to quite a few people is don't forget to Google what you're thinking about doing and make sure that you're not recreating the wheel unnecessarily. There's a ton of tutorials out there on Web 2.0, Camtasia, Skype, you name it. Don't recreate what's out there. It's just causing unnecessary work for yourself. You'll want to come at your project, whatever your development tool is that you're creating, from a different stance, whether it be to target your specific audience or community, group, organization, you name it. Point to some of those existing resources that are out there and fabulous, and then build yours from it or in conjunction with it. Um, I learned that a couple years ago and it made my life a lot easier. So if the tutorials that are out there don't meet your needs, then by all means go ahead and make those better. But make sure if there's something that's great out there already, don't recreate it. Point to it and create your tool, tailor it to your particular audience. Hope this helps. As always, email me with questions. We're almost done. You're in the final stretch here, and I will see you next week for the finale of the course.